Greetings to you, dear friends. I am Vladimir Bulatov. I live in Minsk. I am glad to share with you the opportunities offered by the Academy of a Private Investor. After 40 years of work, I retired and asked myself, what next? Forget about work and simply exist? Or work until the end of my days to maintain the previous standard of living? I began to think about this. I searched online for information on how to create financial flow without going to work. I invested a lot of money in various courses, but I could not find the solution. People say, when there is a will, there is a way. And I found the 8 rules of the private investor from Andrey Khovratov. At first, it seemed wrong because it was quite simple. I began to delve deeper into the materials of the Academy and understand. Here, I have everything I need. Financial and investment literacy, investment portfolio creation, personal development, courses on international business. The main thing, there is a system that allows me to reach the level of life that I am prepared to and which I have dreamed about. I tell my classmates, I have found my second youth. New opportunities, communication with successful people who create their own better life, travel, events, trainings. The most important thing, my children and relatives wanted to be involved into the process when they saw the results of my training. Even my grandchildren are aware of our events. Now, I have enough time for family and for sports. Small investments in education bring tremendous returns. Friends, I managed to do this, so you can too. You need to wish to live better and decide to act. Join now and be successful.